Hey everyone, welcome to another video. It's been a while. I thought I'd start this one outside. The weather is lovely. It's a Saturday. Sun's shining. Cars are still protected. So I thought I'd give you guys an update in terms of what I'm doing, because it's been a while since I last posted. I've just been waiting for quite a few parts to sort of come in. And one of the big ones, rather four of the big ones, just landed here yesterday, and I can't wait to get these on the car. Let me show you what they are. So here we are. So Mickey Thompson ET Street R's in 305. These things are soft. I mean, I think the compound is blue tack. They are soft. So I can't wait to get these on. And then to go with them, I have some VMS Racing wheels. So I thought I might as well do an unboxing video to show you guys what, or rather how they're packed. I'm not gonna lie, I opened one of the other boxes up already. I just couldn't help myself. And they are nice. They're a bit heavy. They're on the cheaper side of the wheels, to be honest. If you want lightweight and real hardcore performance, something like the forged options from Weld Racing are the ones to go. I couldn't find any used ones, so I opted to get these from Lethal Performance. Let's show you what they look like. All right. Oh yeah, the good stuff. So they're actually very well protected, considering these came from the USA. They've been in transit for a while. And these are like really hard bits of card, so they make sure it doesn't, the box itself doesn't collapse. Side. There we have it. They look fantastic. I love this look, and obviously they are gonna really help with getting some traction off the line when I go to a drag strip. So let me show you a bit of a closer look on it. Here we go. Look at that. So this has like a little bit of plastic on it to protect it, so I'll have to get that removed. What I've also done is I've ordered some open-ended conical lug nuts, which sort of extend into these sort of chambers to make sure that the fit is tight and you don't damage your lugs, which can bend if you have a lot of traction, which these should provide. So next, got one here, the other one there. I want to take these to a reputable place where they can mount tires onto the wheels. They do need a valve, and your TPMS valve from Ford is not going to work on these, so expect to have that light on your car for whilst you have these on, which can be coded out in about 5 minutes if you have 4-scan availability. as well. So yeah, let's get to it. Some more stuff there which I'll talk to you guys about later on. Lots to come. Loaded. Just gonna close the garage door, head to the place. Hopefully they can just fit us in and get us out of the door real quick. That would be nice. Need some money, gotta pay to play. Then yeah, good to go. Doesn't it look good? Smells like new tires in here. Oh wait. Right, I'm gonna go. I'll probably give you guys an update once it's done, and I'll show you the mounted product and then check back in. So as I suspected, it's never as easy as you would think it is. First place, the place where I usually would go to get my tires mounted, and I typically do, to be honest. Don't have a machine wide enough, I don't know how the machines work to be able to do a 305. That's a problem. So now I have to find a place I can put on 305 with tires. Let's see how this goes. We're back with the wheels mounted. Had to go to 3 places. First place, Formula One Auto Center said they didn't have a machine that could mount a 305 tire. Second place I went to, and I think Formula One was just fobbing me off. They just didn't want to get stuck with damaged wheels potentially, so they just told me basically go away. Because it's Formula One Auto Centers. Come on, how can they not put a 305? You can order a 305 tire at Formula One Auto Centers. Yep, and have it balanced and fitted, but I walk in with a 305 and they're like, our machine is not good enough. Come on, I'm not stupid, right? So went to the second place, ATS. Very honest guy. He was just like, listen, you've got really nice wheels, the tires as well, etc. You've got a really nice car, and what I don't want to do is potentially damage them and then be stuck with damaged wheels and the expense of getting it right and the disappointment. I respect that. If someone's, open enough to do that, I've got nothing but respect for you. And then I went to the third place, National Tires, and the dude was like, yeah, I can do them, no problem. So if you've got this sort of a setup in the UK, National Tires is the place to go. And here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. We're gonna clean these up and take it from there. But yeah, looking good. Just got done installing the wheels. They look great. Check this out. looks really good. There's no real poke. Look, no poke whatsoever. Just look. Why am I so fussed about them looking good? Just because you want to go fast doesn't mean you have to look like crap, right? Still gotta have a bit of style. I'm really happy with them. Can't wait to go to the strip. Those things are really sticky, like even when they're not to temperature. And yeah, would I recommend getting them? I know right now there's a huge problem with getting a hold of them. So bear that in mind, but you know, for track use, thought why not? Stock wheel, well, not stock wheels, my other wheels. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm happy with them. Maybe not with the amount of money I've spent on them, but that's because I live in the UK. So the import charges and shipping, etc., it all adds up. But if I'm in the States, I wouldn't even think twice about having a second set of tires for track use. And if you're doing a lot of street, I would definitely consider, and you know, you get a bit of wet weather, then I would definitely consider the ET Street SS, which have a bit more thread. But if it's just a run around that you want to basically use as your daily, and you want to go to the track and put some good times down with some good grip, get these. You'll be able to drive to the track, do your times, come back home, change them out. Simple as that. Hope you found it useful. More videos coming soon.